Welcome to Pisa! Pisa has ancient origins, probably Etruscan, and in the Middle Ages it became a powerful maritime republic. Between the 11th and 12th centuries, the city experienced a period of great economic, political and artistic splendor with the construction of monuments such as Piazza dei Miracoli, the Duomo and Piazza dei Cavalieri. The Piazza dei Miracoli, located in Pisa, takes its name officially as Piazza del Duomo. However, the name Piazza dei Miracoli was coined by the poet Gabriele D'Annunzio in his 1910 novel Forse che sì, forse che no. D'Annunzio described the square as Prato dei Miracoli to emphasize the imposing beauty and the exceptional architectural harmony of the monuments that are located there. The square houses four main buildings: the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, the Duomo, the Baptistery of San Giovanni, the Pisa Tower, the bell tower of the Duomo, and the monumental cemetery. Each of these buildings represents a masterpiece of medieval architecture, and together they form one of the most extraordinary monumental complexes in the world. The term miracles therefore refers to the sense of wonder and admiration that these buildings inspire in visitors. The beauty, history and technical ingenuity of these monuments are so surprising that they seem almost miraculous. Like the Maritime Republic, Pisa was one of the main naval powers of the Mediterranean thanks to the flourishing trade. His political rule ended in 1284 with the defeat at the Battle of Meloria against Genoa. In the following centuries, it was subjected to various domains until in 1406 it was conquered by Florence. Under the Medici, Pisa had a revival, with the foundation of the university in 1800 and the union with the Kingdom of Italy in 1860. Today, Pisa is famous all over the world for its Pisa Tower, symbol of the city, located in the beautiful Piazza dei Miracoli, UNESCO heritage. Here are the top 10 things to do and see in Pisa. 1. Visit the Pisa Tower, the famous bell tower of the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, located in the Piazza dei Miracoli. The tower is known for its tilt and offers spectacular views of the city. 2. Stroll through the Piazza dei Miracoli, a UNESCO World Heritage Site which includes the Duomo, the Baptistery and the Pisa Tower. The square is a historical and cultural place of great importance. 3. Explore the old town with its characteristic streets, the Borgo Stretto and Piazza dei Cavalieri, ancient seat of the Knights of Santo Stefano. 4. Visit the Monumental Cemetery, the monumental cemetery next to the Duomo with its works of art and statues. The Monumental Cemetery of Pisa, located in Piazza dei Miracoli, is an ancient cemetery built in 1277. It is famous for its Gothic architecture and medieval frescoes that adorn its walls, many of which were damaged during World War II but later restored. The cemetery contains Roman sarcophagi and tombs of illustrious Pisans. Its construction took place on land brought back from the Holy Land according to tradition, making it a place of great historical and cultural importance. 5. Visit the Cathedral of Pisa, the Romanesque cathedral dedicated to Santa Maria Assunta, with its black and white marble facade. The Cathedral of Pisa, or Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, is a magnificent Romanesque church located in the Piazza dei Miracoli. Its construction began in 1064 and was completed in the 12th century. The cathedral is famous for its white and grey marble facade with Moorish, Byzantine and classical influences. The interior is decorated with mosaics, frescoes, and a beautiful pulpit carved by Giovanni Pisano. The cathedral is the fulcrum of the monumental complex that also includes the Baptistery, the Leaning Tower, and the monumental cemetery, and is an exceptional example of medieval Italian architecture. 6. Visit the Baptistery of San Giovanni, the largest baptistery in Italy, with its Romanesque architecture. The Baptistery of San Giovanni in Pisa, located in Piazza dei Miracoli, is the largest baptistery in Italy. Its construction began in 1152 under the architect Dio Salvi and was completed in the 14th century. The baptistery combines Romanesque and Gothic styles with a sturdy base and a more elaborate upper decoration. It is known for its exceptional interior acoustics and houses a famous pulpit carved by Nicola Pisano. The dome of the baptistery is covered with white and red tiles, creating a distinctive contrast with the rest of the monumental complex. 7. Visit the Sinopie Museum, a museum that houses archaeological finds and works of art. 8. Visit the Medici Arsenals, the Medici shipyards, where today temporary exhibitions are held. 9. Visit the Palazzo Blu, a museum that hosts several temporary exhibitions managed by the Foundation of Pisa. 10. Relax in Marina di Pisa, the beach a few kilometers from the center, to enjoy the sea and nightlife. As usual, below in the description you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you. See you at the next video. Ciao!